Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a half pink, half green look. I seen this on Facebook. My cousin tagged me in it and I was like, girl, I gotta do it. So I'm be using this hair from Dyhair777. It is a blonde unit and this is actually a short bob. All the details will be inside the description box down below for this hair. As you guys can see, this hair was really flowy, really bouncy, and even after, I was trying to show you guys that it was pre-plucked, even after it was still flowy, really bouncy, and really beautiful. So as you guys can see, I tied one side off, and I'm going to be using the Adore 140 neon pink color since it was really bright, and then I am also going to be using the 164 electric lime in the Adore dye as well. So I'm going to go ahead and give me 2 pots of water and put the green inside one of the pots, mix that baby up. Watercoloring is so easy. I was thinking about doing it the regular old way, but I was like, you know what, watercolor is less messy and it's really easy, so that is what I did. So I just mixed the dye up in there for a minute, and then I went ahead and started to add the add the blonde hair in. The dye in the bowl or the pot will always look a little bit darker than it is going to come out on the hair. Well, a bit darker, because this was like a neon color and in there it looked like a boo-boo green. But yeah, I'm going ahead and trying to be super careful with only getting half of the green section. I didn't want to get any of the pink side in there, so it took a lot more time than it normally would to do a watercolor, but I was just being very careful. I went ahead and did get my dye brush to kind of help get it all through that blonde thick section of hair. After I finished dipping as many times as I thought I needed to, I went ahead and rinsed the hair with cold water, which is the best to rinse it with because it does not leak a lot, like the color does not come out a lot of the hair, and it is just better. It locks the color in, I feel like. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the pink side. Now I did accidentally get a little bit of pink on the green side in the middle. I will show you guys that, but I tried my best, y'all, and it still looked really beautiful. I really liked it. But you guys, this pink was like a hot pink. Like, it wasn't playing no games. It was a hot pink. So yeah, that is the one I chose, and that was like that was like the brightest pink they had at the beauty supply near me. So I was like, you know what, we just gonna do it. We gonna be looking like 6ix9ine up in this piece. But yeah, I did accidentally mix the pink a little bit, which I will show you guys. But I'm gonna go ahead and rinse that with cold water as well so that the color does not bleed. Okay, so you guys, I am going to show you. Here is where I messed it up a little bit in the middle. Just this section though, everything else was fine. So yeah, I did kind of get it mixed up a little bit, but it's okay. It's okay. It still turned out looking really cute. So I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry the unit. Now here is the unit after I applied it on my head. This is the half pink, half green, looking like a watermelon, looking like Cosmo and Wanda. I call this my Cosmo and Wanda look, you guys. Yes! And I did go ahead and put on a little bit of makeup. I accidentally put the eyeshadow on the wrong eyes. I meant to put the green on the pink side and the pink on the green side, but you know what? It's okay to do. It's all about the hair anyways, right? So yeah, as you guys can see, the hair was still really bouncy and the hair is so soft, guys. I still have it on right now. It really is amazing. Okay, so I did end up wanting to switch it over and do a little bang as well, just because I didn't want that little piece that I messed up to be showing. So I went ahead and just did a big bang, and that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want more videos like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, peace.